Hey everybody, Films here. I just want to do a quick little bike check update. I got some new stuff. Well, a new part. Forks. I'm just going to go through the main parts because I just kind of want to show you my bike a little bit. Forks are Fit Shiv forks. Really like them. Bars, Shadow Vultus, 9 rise, 30 wide. And just got this stem. It's the Fit DLT stem. I love it. It gives my bars the height of perfect 10 bars, which I love, but not nearly the amount of weight or anything like that. And my bike just feels so good right now. I'm really happy with it. Front wheel is a Demolition Bulimia laced to Demolition Zero rim. My frame is a Fit DAC frame. Love this frame. Cranks are profile cranks with a profile Imperial 25 tooth sprocket. KMC 710 SL chain with the hollow links. Super nice chain, super strong, really. Pedals are Odyssey JCPCs. I love these pedals. My seat post is a volume seat post. Over here, the Madera Kevlar pivotal seat. Super nice seat. It's one of the more comfy, slim pivotal seats I've ever had. And my back wheel right here is a Demolition Anorexia 9-tooth rear right-hand drive hub laced to a Demolition Zero rim. Over here is a Fit FAF tire, and in the front it's Odyssey Aiken K-Lite. I'll just go out real quick. I'm super happy with my bike right now. I like how it looks. I love how it rides. Everything. So thanks guys for watching. Subscribe, like the video, all that good stuff. Peace.